In today's video, I'm going to share with you how do you back up your WhatsApp. Can be your normal WhatsApp or your WhatsApp business. Just go to your top right hand corner, the three dot, go to settings, and go to chat, then click on check backup. Okay, you can back up using your Google account. You need to set up your Google account to back up. I'm actually using a different WhatsApp account to show you guys. I have another one that is actually connected to Google account. And then you can also back up locally as well. Just click on backup this and then it will back up the messages. Okay, you can also back up to your cloud or Google account. Just set up. Okay, and then manage your storage. Just click on the Google account and yeah, just click on the Google account. Okay, and then whether you want to include videos and all that. This one cellular is actually your 3G or 4G or 5G. You can actually back up using your Wi-Fi lah, which will be better. And then whether you want to include videos or do you want to on the automatic backup. Okay, so basically the chat backup is over here. That's it. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. By the way, once you back up, right, if you are moving to a new phone or you reset your phone, you restart your WhatsApp, WhatsApp will actually automatically know that you have a backup. Then if you have a ready backup, then they will ask you whether you want to use the backup. Okay, to retrieve all your data. Okay, automatically. Yeah, that's it. Just want to let you guys know if you have actually done your backup. You will search through your Google account to do the backup retrieval. Okay, it will set up using the Google account. Okay, and that's it. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.